what's YouTube. Today I got a hot taper for y'all. And today I'm not using no guards. And yeah, we're about to get into it. First thing you want to do, you want to brush all the hair down. Make sure everything nice and laid down, prepped up, so you can start this haircut off. And what we're doing right here, we're going to set in the first ball guideline on each side. The back taper and the two side taper. Now I'm setting the side tapers kind of diagonally because that's what suits his head best, in my opinion. Alright, here for the back and the neck, we're setting our second guideline with our lever all the way open. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, we're not going to be using no guards at all. We're going to be doing this whole haircut with no guards. And it's a technique I use. If you want to do no guards to save some time, it's like really one technique that you can really use with this. And it's called the rake technique, and we about to get into it as soon as possible. Now right here, all I'm doing is I set in that second guideline with the lever all the way open on my faders, and what I'm doing right here, I'm clearing off, I'm fading everything below that, from the second guideline to the first guideline. Just making sure I put in that dark to light texture, or that look that I want. Now y'all want to watch this video all the way through. If you don't watch it all the way through, you ain't going to understand. Now right here, we're going to start our rake technique. We got the lever all the way open, and all we're doing is just basically combing down or brushing down the hair. That's all we're going to be doing. And as soon as when you get closer to the line, I know y'all see that harsh guideline right there that we set in with our second guideline that we put in. But every time you get closer to that line, you pull the notch down a little bit towards close. But you don't want to go all the way too close, because these faders, the wall seniors, the Babylers, all them faders, they can actually put a part in somebody's head. So you don't want to do it. It takes quite a while to get used to it though. But if you just stay consistent, you'll get it in no time. Trust. I'm leaving everything in here, all this voiceovers, all this messing up I'm doing, I'm leaving all this in here. We not perfect, nobody perfect. I'm gonna show y'all how it is when I first started out doing this. I'm still starting out, only got about, I say 7 real videos, all the rest of them shorts, but yeah, I'm gonna leave all this in here so y'all can see my struggles and what I be going through. Now right here, we gonna take our clippers all the way open, our levers all the way open. And we just knocking at that second guideline right there. If it don't disappear like how you want it to, you could close the level 3/4 of a way, and then you can start playing with it more. And if it doesn't go out, the line don't come out, just close it down a little bit more until it starts to come out. And look, I'm gonna give y'all some words of advice, just like a confidence booster. If y'all just starting out and y'all wanna record like how I'm doing right here, go ahead, go for it. Try your hardest, do your best. Try to do your best. It don't matter if the haircut look good or not. The most precious thing to me about starting to cut hair is just the journey. It's the journey of becoming the barber that you are now to the barber that you wanted to become, you know, learning all these new techniques and just seeing yourself progress. I go back to pictures from a month ago, and I couldn't do none of this. My cuts look way better. Just from 2 to 3 months ago, my cuts look way better. But look right here in the video, to clear up some of that bulk, we're gonna do clip over comb. We're gonna do clip over comb to clear up some of the bulk, since we're not using a guard. If we was using a guard, we would have did a 1.5 guard, most likely, to clear up some of that bulk, or 2 guards. But this I'm showing y'all no guards right here. It's a very fast method. You can cut a client in 15 minutes doing this, or less than that. And now we're gonna line up the neck area. you haven't done it already, I'm trying to push out fire content for y'all, great content. I'm pretty sure this content helps y'all in different ways. Even if you're like an older barber that got a lot of experience, I'm pretty sure this might help you a little bit. Might teach you something that you never seen before or never knew about. But if you haven't already, go hit the like button for me or leave a comment. Just say that you was here. You know, everything that y'all do, every like, every comment, I try to go and reply to every comment. I'm pretty sure I have, but everything y'all do help. And look, right here in the cut, we sending that second guideline with our trimmer. With our faders all the way open. We're not gonna go too high, even though it's called a hot taper. I kind of like to make my hot tapers short. If y'all know what I mean. And in my opinion, I think lower hot tapers are way better than short hot tapers. It just gives the taper more room to grow, more room to express itself, you know? More room to shine, to look better. And right here we're gonna use that same rake technique that we use on the back of the neck, on the side of the head, for the left side of the taper. And we're gonna do the same exact steps. When we get further away from the top, where we going at, from the bulk, where the bulk at, we're gonna close it. We're gonna close the notch, the level each like a centimeter or so, until we get down to the second guideline that we had set in. And y'all, if y'all learn this, it's gonna be a real big help to y'all. I could do a whole fade with no guards at all, using the same technique. And as y'all seen just now, that line is gone. The taper is faded already. I might go back and detail it, but the taper is faded already. And I know y'all can see that too. And all I'm doing right here is detailing. Detailing with my fade is all the way open, with my wall seams all the way open. But yeah, if y'all learn this technique, it's gonna help y'all. It's gonna be more efficient than using all these steps and all this other stuff, wasting time. It's just a time saver, to be honest. And right here, we're gonna work on the lineup. And since we're not using no guards, I usually take a one guard and knock all the bulk off. We're gonna take our clippers with the lever. We're gonna take our wall seams with the lever all the way open, and we're just gonna rake it down. We're gonna rake his line down. And that's gonna get us to our desired length that we want, a desired height that we want. And I'm not sure if this is correct, but the reason why us barbers like to cut the line down some, with the lining area down some, it gives a way cleaner look than to have all that bulk right there. Or sometimes when you have a lot of bulk right there on the lining, you'll constantly brush it forever, and more hair will wind up being right there in the places where you wanted your lining to be at. And see, his lining is well prepped and laid down, and that's gonna give me a clean surface or a clean canvas so I can edge them out. And as y'all can see, my clippers hitting and everything going smooth, just how I wanted it to be. And from the lineup, I can't stress this enough, just start in the middle. Don't go to the left side of his head, then try to go to the right, or go to the right, then try to go to the left. Start at the center point. Start in the middle of the person's head. And you determine where you started. You might have to push the person back a little bit. It's not really a pushback, y'all. A pushback is like me starting on the middle of his head. That's gonna be a pushback. But this right here, if you want to make somebody line, some people don't have a naturally perfect lineup or naturally straight lineup, but you can make it straight. You can make their lineup straight. So what you want to do, determine what a weak side is at. Like, his left side was his weakest side, so that's the side that I line up first. So after I started in the middle, then I worked towards his left side. I made his left half of his lineup straight. And then what you want to do, you want to go to the stronger side, the side with the most hair at, and then you want to match the strong side with the weak side. But make sure y'all line up the weak side first, because the strong side can have way more hair, and you might start line up his strong side, and then he might be receding in the weak side corner, and not his line crooked or looking diagonal. That's what people get that from, because they don't know no better. They don't know, the steps on how to make a line straight. I used to struggle with that at first too, but we all learning. We all gonna get there. Here we're working on the corner of the box, and all I'm doing is slam my clippers a little bit. You don't have to slant your clippers, you can do it straight down, but I like to do it kind of slanted, and I'm going to leave a nice clean crisp line, as y'all can see right here. Make sure y'all get that box area. Some hairs might be going down at the corner of his box, and you have to cut it a certain way for it to cut off. That's what I have to do for my hair. And right here, you see, we not pushing him back. We're not going back to where his hair is darker at, because enhancements is going to fill all that up. That's what enhancements is here for. A lot of people hate on enhancements because, who knows, because they have old barbers. I'm so sorry if that offended somebody, but it's really just the older barbers. They don't want to adapt. They don't want to grow. They don't want to learn. And that's what everything. For everything you do in life, you're going to learn, you're going to adapt, you're going to grow. That's how we get better. That's how we make progress in life. Alright, now right here we're gonna set in our enhancements. And all we're doing, we're just following the line that we already prepped out or outlined out. That's all we're doing. You don't want to spray too much enhancements, because then they'll have a big dark spot right there. You want to spray enough to where it blends in with the regular or natural hair fibers that they have. Alright, and now we're setting our magic pencil, and we're just gonna outline the line. Make sure you don't touch the magic pencil with his lining. Well, none of the hairs on his lining. But all we're doing is just outlining the outside skin where the hair is not currently at. I really could have just said the perimeter of the line. My bad, y'all. But that's all we're doing right now, lining up the perimeter line with the magic pencil. That sounds way better. Right here, all we're doing is cleaning up everything with our razor. We're getting everything nice and clean up, getting all the remaining products off his forehead, so it don't feel like his forehead like a cinder block or whatever. That's all we're doing, just cleaning up our client. is the final product right here. This is our end result right here. I think the table came out pretty clean, even though I didn't use no gauze or nothing like that. You know, we got everything done. We got that look that we was going for. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and smash that like button for me, man. Smash that like button for more content. Y'all turn on your post notifications so I can get notified whenever I do my whenever I upload. And yeah, we did our thing and we out.